So in summary, what we did is to define angular momentum. In this lecture, we have defined angular momentum of a particle. We also defined the angular momentum of a rigid body. We have shown that they are the true angular momentum that we want because we have obtained an expression for the Newton's second law for rotation in terms of the angular momentum. And then we also obtained the conditions for conservation of angular momentum. That is, if the net external torques acting on a system is equal to 0, then the angular momentum is conserved. And then finally, we have solved problems involving conservation of angular momentum. For the first case, we have a changing moment of inertia, and then for the second case, we have a collision problem that's perfectly inelastic collision. Okay, now we're done with dynamics of rigid bodies. Let's go now to a very special case of dynamics, which is statics. What if the a rigid body is at rest? How do we determine, or do we have techniques in solving statics problems? That's basically just repeating the same ideas and adding one important technique. Yun lang pag-uusapan natin next lecture. So are there any questions for this topic? Next lecture will be statics and equilibrium. Not so. If there are no more questions, thank you very much for attending. Those who are watching on YouTube, thank you very much. And I see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.